Welcome to our show. Thank you for having me here. I'm gonna ask a few simple questions. Go ahead, shoot. How long have you been practicing English? I have been practicing English since 1998 as a student. I have been practicing English as a teacher since 2012. Do you have any secret techniques? Well, nothing extraordinary. It's pretty simple actually. Practice English, thinking and speaking on a daily basis. Watch actively TV series and listen to podcasts. Actively means getting into details with every unknown word combination or phrase. Write it down, make your own examples, record an audio with your examples. On more advanced level, create a mini story where you combine 5 to 10 new words, record it as well. Listen to your audios many times during the day or later. Repeat information out loud or just in a silent whisper technique like this. Could you give any special tips for the newbies? Start in light mode. Practice daily. Find some book series or TV show interesting enough to keep you going. Use textbooks to learn unknown grammar stuff every time you encounter one. Beef up your vocabulary and cliché structures based on conversational English from podcasts and TV series or talk shows. Please tell what's the most efficient way to learn English from your perspective. I think that it's self-paced learning. The main rule is to organize your educational process on materials you really love and passionate about. Learn beginner-level grammar and 300 to 500 words by textbooks and set them aside for a while. Learn by consuming current audio and video information, news and social media posts. Never leave anything unknown behind. Stop and spend some time looking for answers or explanations. Practice and use it in speaking or writing, your own speaking and writing. Thanks for sharing such valuable information with us. It's a pleasure talking to you. Well, the pleasure is mine.